today is a little bit different. Alistair is behind me riding my bike, which is really strange. As some of you may know, my foot brake control is very, very bad. I don't practice it very often. I'm always using handbrake, and I know that I just have to start practicing it. So today I'm going to be on the Stomp 140 from Pit Bike Direct. Whenever someone asks me what the best bike is to learn stunts on, I always say a pit bike. So I am taking my own advice and I'm going to learn foot brake wheelies, hopefully at balance point. Maybe I will get a couple of half circles out of today as well, which would be amazing. Maybe you guys will learn something from today, from watching my progress. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Right guys, this is so weird because my finger really, oh no, I just switched it off like a big idiot with my big fat hand. Right, it's really hot, we have to keep doing this. As I was saying, my finger really badly wants to use the handbrake, but there isn't one. Sit further back, foot brake, and now I just have to dial in that I don't have a handbrake and I'm only using the foot brake. Whoa. My finger still thinks it's doing something, which is quite funny. It helps if I drag my foot a little bit. It gives you that sort of connection with the floor, making you realise you need to go slower. This is going to take a while. Woo! I hit the brake way too hard there, but it's better to hit the brake hard than not at all. Yeah, that's better. I've been doing this really weird thing where I'm like using the clutch and the foot brake at the same time to make the foot brake stronger, because if I disengage the engine a little bit, the brake is suddenly stronger. But that's not what I'm supposed to be doing, but I can't stop myself from doing it, so I'm just gonna roll with it. I'm still not doing balance point stuff, but it's a hell of a lot better than what I was doing before. That was lovely and high and I cancelled it out. pretty darn cool. Well, that's not the way to use a foot brake. Come on guys, I can do this, can't I? Oh, that's a bit better. I did an extra rev. Whoops. Oh, I got a thumbs up.
The fact that you went onto foot brake and then you managed to get it high up slow enough and then start turning it in, it's really nice, really good to see. And you're like saving so many of them, like with the clutch. It's excellent.
Oh look, and the sun's come out. Oh my gosh. That was my day of foot brake wheelies on the Z3 140 from Stomp. Pit Bikes Direct are awesome for giving us these bikes, because I wouldn't have been able to do that on the 600. I would have flipped it a lot and Alistair would have been fixing it a lot. It's definitely saved a lot of time, it's saved a lot of like fear, because I'm not scared of riding the pit bike. It's fun, you know, you've seen me throw it around, it's just so much fun. But I've learned a skill today. I've learned how to stop the bike from going over backwards by using foot brake, but also without meaning to, I've learned how to feather the clutch, which means I'm also feathering the power. I'm only letting in as much power as I want. I'm actually really happy with myself. I didn't think that I would get this far, even though I said in the beginning of the video that I really hope that I get some half circles, but I wasn't actually expecting myself to get half circles, so I think you can call that a half circle. Yes, Alistair's nodding. So I will continue with this, and hopefully you guys will either see a follow-up video or we will just add my new skills into a new vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in next week's video. Have a good week. See ya.